I wanted to give my Maxima interior more of a modern look, so I pulled the steering wheel from a 2016 8th gen Maxima and the gauges from a 2008 Maxima. Just taking off the panels here to gain access to the screws. Once you have those, it's 3 panels, and once you have those off, you'll be able to access the first screw, which is on the top. There's 3 in total that hold it in place. So once the top one comes out, there's 2 more on the bottom. And it's out. So for the new gauge on the 2016 to 2023, the plug is on the opposite side. So I had to drill a hole so that I can access the plug. And then you'll have to pull the connector across so that you can plug it in to the new gauge. And then you just fish it across. And once you do that, you'll be able to plug in the 2016 to 2023 or 8th gen Maxima gauge. As you can see, it's on the opposite side. It's the same thing as the previous one. There's 1 bolt on the top and 2 on the bottom. And that's how it looks installed. Personally, I think it changes the whole interior. Now for the steering wheel, you always want to make sure that you disconnect the battery first. There's 2 bolts on the side. They were 10mm bolts on mine. Some of them have security screws depending upon which Maxima you're swapping it in. And then there's a center bolt. It's a 19mm. Just hit it with the impact. Should be good. The new steering wheel goes in. For the most part, it's plug and play. And then you just tighten down the center bolt. So in my car, the airbags originally came with 2 connectors, but on the new steering wheel, it only has 1. So I didn't connect the airbag for this new steering wheel that went in the car. For the newer model steering wheels, they have actually a clip and you just snap it into place. As you can see, already makes the car feel a lot newer, gives it a more modern look, modern looking gauges. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Any suggestions or what you've done differently.